Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft Word online video lesson series. So in this video tutorial we will be learning about share and print option. We have almost learned all the concepts which are provided by Microsoft Word online. So we have seen various formatting options and various proofreading option also. Now let's see how you can print this document, because my document is ready to print. We will also see how you can download this document into PDF format. So to print and download particular document, you can go to this file menu. File menu provides one save as option in which you can download a copy of your document and you can open it in your Microsoft Word desktop version, or you can also download PDF. So click on to this download as PDF option and it will generate PDF of your document. So currently it is converting. After PDF is being converted, you can download or you can view this PDF by just clicking onto this link. So it is downloaded into my computer, and this is my PDF. It have header and footer as well, as I have said. So this is my PDF document. Now let's see print option, how you can print this document. So click on to file option and it has print option, and click on to this print this document button. It will prepare this document for printing and it will open up this window. Now select printer from here. Currently I don't have any printer connected, and once your specification is completed, for example if you want black and white or colored print, then you can select here. You can select paper size as well, but I would suggest whatever the paper size or document size you have selected at a time of document creation, you select that size here. So this is print options. Now once your configuration is done, you can click on to this print button and it will start printing this document. So this is about printing. If you want to open a printable PDF of your document, you can click on to this link. So it will open this window and it is also a PDF. If you want to download this PDF, then you can click on to this download button. You can select print option from here, or you can rotate it clockwise. So this is some printing options. Now let's see how you can share this document with your friends and mate. Here it is share button. If you click on to this share button, one window or pop-up will be open. Here write email address of people whom with you want to share your document. You can get a link and you can send that link to people, or you can put that link on your web page, and when people click on to that link, people will be able to see your document, or if you have provide edit link, then people will be able to edit that document. So I am generating link with view only, public or edit. I am selecting this edit and generating link, and now my link is ready. We can also share this link on social media like Facebook and Twitter, or you can just mail it. I am opening this link into incognito mode and I will see I can edit this document or not. So my document is open. Now to edit, I can click on to this edit button and it will open my document. Hi, this is editing. and this is saved. Now let me see my changes are affected in my original document or not. So as you can see, my editing changes are affected. Here it is, hi, this is editing, and guest is ending this edit, and guest was editing this document was a warning. So here you can see whom currently editing this document, but guest is no longer editing this document because I have already closed my window. So this Word provide live editing feature. Multiple people can work on same document at the same time. This is a wonderful feature provided by Word Online. So this is about printing your document and sharing your document with your friends and family. Thank you very much.